Hello, spider riders. I'm showing you my new turn signal indicators. I had them on emergency flashes just then. But anyway, you know the normal one on your dash, when you get a lot of glare, you can't see it. So I put these on. And I didn't spend those $60-something like some of these spider vendors want to charge you. I got these off of eBay for $7.77. They're the 4-inch amber LEDs is what you get. Just run a search on eBay. They're real easy to install. I've got the magnetic mirrors. Well, you can't see, but you hook them right here into the wiring harness on this side of the mirror before the plug. I use butt connectors. I don't like those little splice-in type connectors. You have to drill a little hole right here in the corner. And it's nothing to them. I've got these magnetic mirrors. But anyway, I'll put that back later. If you do put the magnetic mirrors, I usually put this little string or something to keep them from falling. These are handy to have instead of having to fight them. But anyway, like I said, cheap, $7.77. I paid for mine. You know, the prices vary on eBay. But anyway, another cheap idea. If anybody has any other ideas, put them in the comment section below. And, you know, a lot of times these vendors try to gouge your eyes out, but some of them are fair. And, you know, I like to do business with them. But there are cheaper ways to do the same thing on your spider. So alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and thank you very much. Goodbye.